Hi, I'm Craig Wilson, editor of Stuff Magazine, and this is an unboxing video for the Nokia 8 Sirocco. HMD took over Nokia's mobile division and has tried to reinvigorate it. Now the idea with the Sirocco is that this is meant to be a flagship device at a non-flagship price. So let's take a look in the box. So you can see we're looking at a handset that's sort of Samsung Galaxy S9 size, or around the size of an iPhone 8. Now the edges here feel a little sort of sharp in hand, which is a bit peculiar, and there's a bit of a protrusion here on the rear camera. It's a dual camera setup with the Zeiss lenses that Nokia's had such a long-standing relationship with. And you've also got a fingerprint sensor / power button in the middle here. Down the bottom there's an Android One logo, and that just means that you're getting unadulterated pure Android, as they call it. So that just means none of the operator overlays that we often see from the likes of Huawei and Samsung. It also should mean that you will get updates speedily from Android. So when a new version comes out, you're not going to have to wait for Nokia to update it itself. That could be a huge advantage, particularly from a security perspective. Let's turn this on while we have a look at what else is in the box. So there you are, you get the Android One logo again on the startup screen, just to let you know. Pull this tray out. In this box we've got a SIM tool, inside you've got the little book of words, and a cover. And of course that's a welcome addition, particularly for a phone that you may otherwise have a hard time finding a cover for at first. This is a sort of hard polycarbonate or translucent plastic cover. There. And that seems to take a little bit of the sharpness off the edge of the device. This is an adapter for the Type-C to 3.5mm because unfortunately you've got no jack on here. So you're going to need this adapter if you want to plug in headphones. Then you've also got a USB to Type-C charging cable, a pair of USB-C headphones complete with different buds to make sure you can get a perfect fit for your ears. And lastly, the high-speed wall charger with a USB plug in it too. And the other advantage of this new handset is that it supports wireless charging, which is something we haven't seen from the high-end Nokias before. And that means if you've got any QI wireless charging kit already, this should work perfectly with it. And there you have it. That is a quick introduction to the Nokia 8 Sirocco. It's available in South Africa now from all of the major operators, and you can expect to pay 13,000 Rand on prepaid.